The High Court has declined to suspend the Nairobi County Government directive barring public service vehicles from accessing the Nairobi Central Business District. This is after Nairobi Senator Johnson Sakaja sued City Hall and Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko over their directive, accusing Sonko of failing to consult the public and stakeholders before implementing the ban.
The fight over the Nairobi County Government's directive to ban all public service vehicles from accessing the capital's city centre has now gone to the corridors of court. Nairobi Senator Johnson Sakaja this Monday moved to court seeking to stop the ban, accusing Governor Sonko of failing to consult not only the public but also the stakeholders.
The people of Nairobi feel very betrayed, People are walking long distances, they're getting into the offices sweaty, and it's just a bad situation, and they're asking, is this why we voted? So let's keep the politics aside, let's talk structurally. What is the plan?
Sakaja says the county government should come up with alternative modern means of transport that will facilitate movement of passengers in and out of the city centre before implementing the ban.
Create that mass transit system. It will include bus rapid transport, and bus rapid transport is not just drawing lines on Thika Road. No, BRT is not just drawing lines. It is making sure you have high capacity buses that are on time, that are cross county. This radial around the city, there are nodes that had been earmarked where you have a train going around. Yeah, and then you have those which come inside, and then from there the matatus pick people into the estates and takes them to those. It can be done in 3 years.
Matatu circles have also filed a case in court challenging the ban, saying the directive will hurt commuters and the economy. However, the High Court declined to suspend the directive barring public service vehicles from accessing the city centre and directed the two parties to file and serve their petitions to the respondents. Governor Sonko, while appearing before a parliamentary committee today, insisted that there was no turning back on the directive, which he says is part of his administration's efforts to decongest the city.
So if we kubali hii matatu madness, mambo ya hawking, mambo ya boda in our CBDs, hatusaidiani. This is the right time, and I know people are suffering. I'm just requesting for patience from commuters. We are going to work on an amicable permanent solution to address this issue.
According to Transport Cabinet Secretary James Macharia, his ministry will hold an emergency stakeholders meeting tomorrow morning to look at various options regarding the directive of banning public service vehicles from the city centre.
Moving forward, people who cannot afford private means of transport after being dropped out of CBD are the ones who will continue to suffer as the case against this ban is canvassed in court. Vincent Adur, NTV, Nairobi.